Now you're listening the microphone of the Sony FDR AX53. Volume is set on manual. Slider is on the middle, direct on the middle of the scale. Now we listen to the background noise which mic pick up. I will be quiet for a minute and listen. Okay, next will be aperature alav lavaler mic. Now you listening a lavalier mic, aperture alav. Volume is same, set on manual on 50%, directly in the middle of the scale. We'll listen on the background noise which microphone pick up. I will be quiet for a few moments. Okay, next will be shotgun mic, hahnel mk200. Now you listen hahnel mk200. Volume on the camera is 50%, set on manual. On the microphone itself, slider is in the middle on 0 decibels. Normal mode is on. Listen to the background noise which mics pick up. Okay, I will put microphone on minus 10 decibels. Now you're listening. Microphone is set to minus 10 decibels. Other settings still the same. Let's listen for a background noise. I will set microphone on plus 10 decibels now. Now microphone is set on plus 10 decibels. Normal mode is on. Let's listen for a background noise. Now I will put microphone on 0 decibels and turn low cut mode. Now you're listening microphone on low cut mode. On microphone is turned on 0 decibels. On the camera level still the same, 50%. Let's listen for background noise. Thanks for watching.